The first half of 2022 saw the biggest increase in violent crime the county has seen in the past decade. That's coming from a new SANDAG crime report released today. CBS 8's Rocio de la Fe breaks down the numbers for us.
SANDAG's mid-year report covers crimes reported between January and June of this year, some of which have been influenced during the pandemic. Violent crime rates are trending in the wrong direction. That's according to a new report by SANDAG.
There are 4 violent crimes that we track: homicide, rape, robbery, and aggravated assaults. And we did see that looking back till 2012, we had the highest violent crime rate per resident population that we've seen.
Senior Director of Data Science with the agency, Dr. Cindy Burke, says it's a trend that's consistent with what other large U.S. cities are seeing. The report out today indicates robbery saw the greatest increase, with a 15% jump from mid-2021 to the past 6 months.
About 15% of both aggravated assaults and robberies in the region did involve the use of a firearm.
Burke says historically our crime rate is still low when compared to the early 1990s. Our region has one of the lowest homicide rates at 51, but that's up from 49 in the first half of 2021.
Obviously, one homicide is one homicide too many. We know the primary motive has been documented by law enforcement as arguments between 2 individuals.
Burke says rape is the only violent crime that's down, and says the pandemic has greatly influenced the trends we're seeing.
We've seen some variation that I do think reflects some of the changes in our society the past couple of years.
Trends show that motor vehicle thefts and car parts like catalytic converter thefts are also up 12%. Burke says it could be a sign of the times with the ongoing supply chain shortages.
I think we're going to see the effect of the pandemic and the social isolation really going long term.
But it's not all bad news. Property crime and residential burglaries are down overall. Both are down 2%. Rocio de la Fe, CBS 8.